Why system integrators secretly love the ASUS Prime H810M-A-CSM proof. Remember that sinking feeling when 3 machines crash the morning of a major client presentation? I still wake up in a cold sweat thinking about it. You're not slow, you're not unlucky. The hardware you trusted just wasn't built for real workloads. Drop your worst hardware betrayal story in the comments. I read every single one. Deadlines breathing down your neck, Excel grinding like it's 2009, and the constant low-grade panic that today's the day something fries. Your stomach tightens just thinking about it. Imagine flipping on the PC and feeling calm. No chaos, no surprises, just clean, quiet control that lets you breathe again. Here's where the ASUS Prime H810M-A-CSM quietly changes everything. This isn't another flimsy consumer board dressed up for office work. It's a corporate stable model engineered to stay alive when others tap out. The 6+1+1+1 Discrete MOS power design shrugs off heavy multitasking like it's nothing, feeding even power-hungry Core Ultra Series 2 processors rock-solid voltage all day. DDR5 with OptiMem routing means snappier spreadsheets and zero lag when 10 Chrome tabs fight for survival. Dual PCI Express 4.0M.2 slots turn boot times into a blink. Windows is ready before your coffee finishes pouring. Intel 1 gigabit LAN locks in flawless domain connectivity, while USB 10 gigabits per second plus 5 gigabits per second Type-C keep modern docks and peripherals happy. Last month, a system integrator I know was staring at a missed deadline because 3 gaming boards died mid-deployment. Swap them for Prime H810M-A-CSM builds overnight. Every machine posted first try and hasn't hiccuped since. That's not luck. That's CSM doing what it promises, staying boringly reliable so you don't have to be the hero at 2 a.m. Picture walking into an office where nothing crashes, nothing throttles, and IT tickets are basically extinct. That's what thousands of integrators, admins, and small business owners are living right now with the ASUS Prime H810M-A-CSM. A lead engineer at a 300-seat deployment told me, "We standardized on CSM boards 3 years ago. Returns dropped 92%. Tom, a system builder with 200-plus corporate rigs under his belt, says he'll never use consumer boards again. First boot success, rock-stable LAN, and ASUS Control Center Express means I sleep instead of babysitting." An analyst who benchmarks enterprise hardware for a living ran thermal stress tests for 72 hours straight and said, "The discrete MOS VRMs never flinch. This is the most competent H chipset board I've ever met." One IT manager laughed on Reddit last week. "My boss thinks I'm a genius because downtime vanished. I just swapped in Prime H810M-A-CSM and let ASUS take the credit." Worried about a learning curve or switching cost? The BIOS is the cleanest in the business, and the CSM Lifecycle guarantee means you won't get stuck when you need replacement boards in year 4. See why thousands can't stop talking about this. Tell me below, which feature would save your sanity first? Join the creators, integrators, and IT managers already running fleets of rock-solid machines that just work, month after month, year after year. The ASUS Prime H810M-A-CSM delivers DDR5 speed, bulletproof stability, and real remote management without the gamer tax or the drama. If you're ready for systems that stay up while everyone else is panicking, grab yours through the link in the description. Thousands of us made the switch and never looked back. Come see why.